Hey guys, I have a new challenge for you. Which of these answer choices is a multiple of 9? Answer A has the last digit of 4. You can multiply 9 with 6 to get 54. Similarly, B, you can get the 1 by adding 9 times 9 equals 81. And the last one, you can get 3, 9 times 7. Note that this isn't a too hard problem if you think about this logically. It isn't hard unless you make it hard. Ready? Go. Pause the video if needed. Alright fans, let's do this. Note that we can solve this problem by noting the rule that every single multiple of 9, anything divisible by 9, its digits will add up to 9 or a multiple of it. We can see this rule with the multiplication table. 9 times 1, 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 3 equals 27, 9 times 4 equals 36, 9 times 5 equals 45, 9 times 6 equals 54, 9 times 7 equals 63, 9 times 8 equals 72, 9 times 9 equals 81, 9 times 10 equals 90. Note that if we start from the top, 9, there's technically a 0 at the front of this 9, so 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and so on and so forth. Now that we've proven this rule, we can go back up to the answers and check. Let's take the first answer choice. 6 plus 2 plus 4 equals 12, not 9, so we can rule that out. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 2 equals 4, plus 3 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. That's our answer choice. But to verify, let's check if the other answer is incorrect. 3 plus 4 equals 7, plus 5 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14, plus 3 equals 17. Wrong too. So now that we've verified it, we've established that B is the correct answer. Good job, math folks. Stay strong, stay curious, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.